and thank you very much for coming over to this campus and making a news out of this. Thank you very much. This particular conference is called as ICT IEE 2026, meaning International Conference in Transforming Engineering Education. This is in collaboration with what is called as IUCEE Foundation, meaning India Universal Collaboration in Engineering Education is a foundation which is started way back in 2005-2006. Since 2014, the first conference has been started of this kind, and this is the 13th in series. So we had this opportunity of hosting this conference. The main objectives and features of this conference is in connection with understanding the changes in the engineering education scenario. Once we understand what are the changes in the engineering education scenario, the first thing that comes to the mind is not going directly to the students. The faculty needs to be trained. So in that direction, what do we do with the teaching learning process in the classrooms? So this particular conference focuses on all that kind of teaching learning pedagogy that is to be reformed, go on for the changes as we see the requirements connected to the present scenario. In that direction, there are academicians from pan-India representing almost 18 to 20 states and the international academia leaders representing 6 countries. Put together, there are about 800 plus registrations, about 420 are the students participants, and there are about 400 plus faculty, people representing academia, institutions, academic leaders, policy makers, and also representatives from the industry. This conference also has a particular events connected with students, that's called as IASF, which will have students working on the hackathons. They will be participating on the hackathon, that's called as Edu AI Thon. And there are poster presentations, there are seminars, workshops where students are going to participate and come with what are those best practices they have gone through in their campuses, in their organizations, which are taught by their teachers. So this is a platform where academicians exchange their best practices that have been implemented, tested, and the outcomes are good. In that direction, we had about 450 plus papers that had come to us, and a paucity of time to be completed in 2 days. There are 78, best of them being selected through a jury, and for the next 2 days, 2.5 days, these 78 papers would be presented. And as I said, these are teaching learning pedagogy, the best practices, and how do we cope up with the changes in the present scenario. Especially the theme that we have chosen is connected to the AI. AI is the driving source which leads everything. I am not wrong if I say the time is not far off where there can be nothing that would be done without the AI. AI in education, AI in we have started AI in recruitments, AI in large scale kind of segmentation and processing, everything. All the AI models are being implemented, and going forward, Geetham University is going to be an AI driven university. So this is the main objective, where teachers and students come together and understand the best practices and the successful stories that are going to be narrated from their respective institutions.